Hello there again and welcome. Ryan Nordahl here with Epic Whitetail Habitat LLC. I'm out here today and I want to share a video with you on how to set a portable tree stand. For the lack of a better tree stand and just simply for demonstration purposes, we're using a cheap hang-on ladder stand that I bought several years ago that is still in really good shape. What you want to do though, for all you beginners, I get a lot of clients, people that view these videos that are new to hunting, kids that are new to hunting, adults that are new to hunting, and they simply don't have a mentor to show them the basics on how to shoot a bow, how to hang tree stands, how to hang portable tree stands such as this one here, how to hang ladder stands correctly, everything like that. So today I want to share with you how to set a lock-on type tree stand, if you will. Again, this is just simply for demonstration purposes, this tree stand, so I've got it tied up here to keep everything out of the way and for packability purposes. What you want for a tree stand though is a good lightweight one. I know a lot of my viewers here hunt public land as well, and you want something that you can pack, throw some shoulder straps on, and it's going to pack very light for you. What you want to do is you want to start out on the ground like I'm doing here in this demonstration. You want to make sure you have enough slack in your strap, but you want to start on the ground, keeping both feet on the ground, you know, to take the risk factor of falling. But if you're gonna hang a stand using a climbing stick or two, please, please, please wear a safety harness with a lineman's belt so you have both hands free and you're secure 3 points to a tree. But I like to teach my clients to start out just by standing on the ground. We're connecting our tree strap, we're cinching it down. We've got the tree stand itself folded because when I flop the platform down, that's going to help to lock this tree stand in place. I want to get it as tight as I can. It's in there. Now, I'll even go the extra mile to throw an extra strap. Now, this is simply for demonstration purposes, this strap. It's got plenty of slack in it, which you don't always need. Loosen it up here. But again, simply for demonstration purposes. Now, if I was in a tree stand, I'd be locked in, I'd get it around, and I'd kind of want it low so it's pulling down on the platform. I'll use a ratchet strap instead of a cinch strap. I do not like cinch straps. This is a different type of cinch strap. If I can though, at all purposes, I will have ratchet straps. And it takes time and practice to secure. But you want to get used to being in the stand. Now, be it that I'm on the ground. Stand is secure and ready to go. From here, we can go on to implementing a climbing stick or two. I do not recommend the screw-in type steps that you see. I've had them fail on me several times. I've been very lucky. Of course, I've always had a safety harness on. I have had those steps either just slide on out, you know, and fail. I've had them snap off the screw, whatever. The only time I will ever use screw-in steps anymore is for accessory hooks, for grab-on hooks on that final step onto my platform and my stand. I do not use them for climbing purposes anymore as far as stepping on a screw-in step. I really love the quick sticks provided by either Muddy Outdoors. The Speed Steps by Muddy Outdoors are great, lightweight pack. I have an extra wide foot, so I have plenty of room to step on those types of steps as well. And they work great for me. Very quick, very simple. Again, they come with cinch straps. I like to swap them out and use ratcheting straps That way I know I have it tight and secure as possible to the tree. So I will now get down out of this stand. Again, just being careful. I know I'm on the low to the ground, on the ground. But that was my little tip for beginners on how to set up a hang-on tree stand system. Hello everyone, Ryan Nordahl here with Epic Whitetail Habitat LLC. I just wanted to take a minute and ask you, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. If we can get 1,000 subscribers here by the end of July, July 31st, one winner is going to get this Muddy safety harness, complete package, complete with lineman's belt, everything you need in a complete package for a safety harness. Also a lifeline, Muddy lifeline, very important in your tree stand gear. And some of these bow hooks, Muddy bow hooks. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. You could win this package, all 3 of those prizes, and the ultimate prize, I'm going to select one lucky winner to come hunt with me this fall on one of my properties here in west central Wisconsin, Jackson County. Thank you, and I hope you subscribe.